This is the journey of a revolution that began with a single drop of milk. It started in 1946 with the vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and with the launch of Amul, it transformed India into the world's largest milk-producing nation. From 1946 to 1970, this movement expanded to 6 districts of Gujarat, and in 1973, the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation was born. Its objective was to empower livestock farmers and give a new direction to the dairy industry. 50 years later, this institution has become the world's largest cooperative organization, the biggest exporter of dairy products, and the force behind India's most loved brand, Amul. This success reflects decades of struggle and dedication, connecting Amul with the nation by rising above the idea of mere value for many to value for money. It ensures that 80% of the revenue from Amul product purchases goes directly to milk producers. It represents unwavering commitment to farmers and consistent quality for customers. Today, the Federation operates 86 sales offices across the country, offers more than 50 products in over 1,200 product packs, over 15,000 distributors and 10 lakh retailer outlet, has a turnover of over 80,000 crore rupees, and delivers products to every corner of India. With the belief that quality feed leads to quality milk, Amul distributes 2.5 million metric tons of cattle feed every year on a no-profit, no-loss basis. Today, Amul has created a distinct identity not only in India but also across the world, be it dairy products or its iconic communication. This is why Amul ranked first among the world's 10 largest dairy institutions. The continuous efforts of nearly 7 decades of the cooperative movement of farmers have made Amul a global identity, a powerful inspiration, and an essential part of everyday life. As a result, the Amul dairy model is now being replicated in many parts of the world. Today, in this Amrit Kal, supported by the trust of millions of Indians, Amul is reaching new heights every day and setting new examples of prosperity through cooperation, and is committed to continuously contributing in building a self-reliant India.